inside this post request, at first let's create a query. SQL query is equal, inside this two quotation mark will have some query, and below here just write con.query is SQL, comma, here will be a callback function, error, first parameter will be error, second parameter will be data or result, whatever you called, and here is our callback function. If there is any error, I want to print that error dot log console log, console dot error, it make more sense, error, else log console log the result, and comment the response status. Now we need to put this SQL query. Go to phpMyAdmin. From here go click on this table players, and from players go to SQL and insert. Here we can insert a player. Just copy this query and paste it above here. We can't paste like this, we need to do like this, insert into players. There will be no quotation mark or no backticks. Okay, now the first bracket begins. In here you need to put id, comma, name, comma. Since the id is auto incremented, it will increment automatically, so we don't need to put that id, and the value of these two field will be values. Value on will be, for example, name is Neymar JR and comma, second the club of Neymar JR is PSG. Let's try it out, save it, and the post route is add. Okay, so let's try it. Players API players / add. It's not working since it is a post request. This will not work on the browser, so we need to use something called, actually there is something went wrong, MySQL is not defined. So go to here, actually not here, here, this, there should be MySQL app.js, copy this MySQL, Control X, cut it from here and paste it here as well, save it. Once again go to the browser / add. It's saying cannot get, there is no get request. It is true, we have the post request, not the get request. Okay, we have post request with this endpoint. Now on the console you see DB is connected successfully. Go to phpMyAdmin and go to players. Is there any players added? No, it's not. Actually this doesn't add any players. We need to make that request by using Postman. Installing Postman is very simple. Go to Postman. This is the front-end client we can use of. What is Postman? Postman is collaboration platform for API development. Actually this is a front-end client for sending requests to the server. Okay, so we need to use Postman. Create one more. Okay, this would be a post request, and the post request will be http localhost : localhost, what is our endpoint? Localhost 5000. Don't forget about this port number. Our endpoint was API players add. Okay, now we don't need to put anything inside params, headers or body. Later on we can put it. Sending request, go to terminal. It's saying undefined, something went wrong in here. Okay, now I said if there is any error, throw that error, and else successfully inserted. So let's try it out. The values of name is namer.jr and the values of club is psg. Okay, so let's try it out. Once again, go to your Postman. This is our URL and this is a post request, and send it. Open your terminal. You can see successfully inserted. Now once again open your browser, go to phpMyAdmin. From phpMyAdmin, go to players, and here you see we have one new record. The name is namer and club is psg. Okay, that means it's working perfectly. Now the next thing we need to do, we need to create it more securely. Actually this is most vulnerable right now, so let's make it secure. Const values is, there will be an array of name. This name is namer.jr. Instead of namer we can make it Messi and club Barcelona, FC Barcelona. Okay, after this SQL we need to put that values inside this array. Okay, in the place of this two value we can just put like this question mark. This question mark will actually, this question mark refer to this value, and this is an array. We have array of two value. First value is Messi and second value is Barcelona. Second value is for club and first is for name. Save it once again. Open your Postman, send the request. Terminal, you see successfully inserted. Open your phpMyAdmin. Let's try it once again. phpMyAdmin. From here, this is our database, Node.js CRUD players. This is players. You see name is Messi and club is Barcelona.